Now before we get started, if you are new, click on the subscribe button, like, share, and now let's get started. Starting with our daily time frame, USDJPY. We will start with our USDJPY daily time frame. Full trend, uptrend, rally movements upward as you all can see. And I've highlighted some key level. If you were actually following, you would have seen how we highlighted and followed with this key level area, where this was once our resistance level. Our price broke out from it. It came back to test this area to confirm our price broke out from it, and now we add another rally movement upward, and we see our price dropped again to test this area, which was actually a legitimate key area which we highlighted, and now our price has actually pushed up. If you have to notice that we are actually getting a pullback here. After this pullback, what are we expecting? After a pullback on our USDJPY is a rally movement upward again on our USDJPY. So JPY, USDJPY, we should be expecting a bullish. We should open and close bullish on the 25th. Now, reason I say that is that take a look at the daily time frame. This was actually a pullback, a retracement here, a impulse move, a correction here, another impulse move, a correction. We are expecting another impulse move to take out this our liquidity area, which will be around 139. So we are currently trading at 137. We would want to see our price rally up to 1391. And now let's take a look at it on our USD index. Starting with our daily time frame, we can start from this low here. We saw this impulse move, a correction move here, an impulse move, a correction here. Now after this correction, we are expecting an impulse move again. So once we start having that impulse move, then we will see it. First of all, we will see that impulse move on our USDJPY. Now take a look at it. When we once had impulse move here and a correction, we can see it impulse move and a correction here. Now we add another impulse move and a correction, sits on our USDJPY, impulse move and a correction. Now that we are expecting another impulse move on our USD index, then definitely we will be seeing that impulse move on our USDJPY. Now let's take a look at it. This is actually our liquidity area here, where our price take out from this huge candlestick area here. You can see our price tap it and dropped. We're very much likely to see our USD index rally up again, tap it again. So once we have that rally movement upward on our USD index, as we are all expecting to have anytime soon, expecting to have, then we would actually be able to see it on our USDJPY. So this is the reason why I said USDJPY will very much open and close bullish, by the way. So watch out for it. At least we should be able to go about 60, 70 to 80 pips on the 25th for the day. So watch out for it. A bullish move on our USDJPY.